Hey guys, it's me, Barry. I did say I was gonna do Geometry Dash, but for some reason it's not working right now, so I'm gonna play the Rubik's Cube. So I'm gonna mix it up. I'm actually really good at it, but I'm not the best one in the world. So yeah, let's mix it up. Okay, that's a good scramble. And start. So talking about this new YouTube channel, I'm making videos like this because I like cubes. I like Rubik's cubes, and I got more others to show ya. But if you like this video, I'll make more Rubik's cube videos. So like this video, subscribe, and yeah. So okay. So I got the bottom layer already. Making the second layer. There you go. Got it. Man, if you call this fast, it's not fast. Like the fastest guy in the world could do it, what, 4 seconds? 4 something, I don't know, I forgot. So yeah, just get the top layer. There you go. Okay, and done with the top layer. There you go. And so yeah, how's y'all's day? Comment down below. How's y'all's day, guys? And tell me if I could improve on my videos. Thank you, Barry. Barry out.